lang umuulan ngayon, pero hindi ko inalintana yung ulan para nang mabigyan kayo ng magandang view. Wala akong pakialam guys, sa totoo lang, I'm going to put my life on danger dahil lumaraga pa talaga yung tubig na yan, and the current is quite strong now because of the weather. Pero wala akong pakialam guys, even itong location where I am standing now, this is on the middle of it. Walang restriction kasi bahala ka kung how are you going to take care of yourself. Sa totoo lang, kahit signal, walang signal ngayon dito, wala kaming connection kahit saan. So if there's emergency, we can even call 911. Pero okay lang guys, grabe talaga ang ganda ng lugar na yan, oh. Ang ganda talaga ng lugar na ito, especially yung papunta dito guys, sobrang ganda talaga. Ang daming mga tao dito, naliligo pa yung iba over there, diba guys, yung mga puti. Hindi ganun kadami, pero kami lang dito. I think wala pa kaming 20 ngayon dito guys. Mahirap puntahan itong lugar na ito. Medyo may kahirapan siyang puntahan kasi nga imagine from the city of Victoria 5 hours hanggang doon sa place kung saan kami nag-stay, which is also on ocean front, and from there to here it's about 2-hour drive. So mga 7 hours drive siya guys mula sa bahay namin. Pero it's all worth it guys. Kung pwede ko lang ma-share sa inyo kasi I can't go live dahil connection, very slow connection. Going here, the view is really breathtaking. Talagang kabila ang kalye, puro pine trees, puro evergreen. Even the maple trees na nag-iiba-iba ang kulay. May yellow, may blue, no, not blue, red, orange, and green. Grabe, and even brown guys, which is very relaxing. Sa totoo lang, all I can say is nung nakita ko is wow. Napawaw na lang talaga ako guys. That's why like really British Columbia deserves the title of beautiful British Columbia, because dito talaga sa BC guys, or British Columbia, halos lahat ng magagandang, like if you, especially if you love nature, this is the place to be. Because the lakes, grabe ang mga lakes dito. I think in the whole of Canada, ang may pinakamaraming lakes is British Columbia. And the mountain guys, grabe kung makikita nyo lang yung ulap, mas mataas pa ang bundok guys. Sa totoo lang, yung mga bundok na ito, mas mataas pa ang bundok sa ulap dahil ang ulap ay napakababa. And it's cold actually. What I am wearing now is not enough para to protect me from coldness, pero okay lang, di ba? Mas nai-enjoy ko yung view guys if you're here with your loved ones. Oh my god, this is the place to be. Kung pwede lang magpapakasal ako ulit, dito ako kung tinatatayuan ko ngayon with that background. Kung pwede lang talaga, di ba? Para sarap magpakasal. Oh guys, may nakikita akong bundok, oh, halos abot yung langit, di ba? Hindi mo makikita ang bundok siya guys kasi napupula-pulan talaga ng ulap. This one, oh. Kung nakikita nyo yan, it's too high. Parang abot langit na talaga guys. Grabe. Parang ayaw ko umalis dito sa lugar na ito guys. Ayun, mga kasama ko nandun na. Ako parang ayoko pang umalis. I still want to enjoy the view. I want to see the scenery for long. Diba? Parang nakakawala ng problema, nakakatanggal ng stress. So that's what I really wanted guys, to be here. Like, you know, to hibernate, to see places, and not just that, diba? To connect with nature, because I always believe if you're connecting with nature, you're connecting with your creator, or you're connecting to God. So I think this is a wise decision for me, or for us, diba? Na tumuloy kami dito even if the weather is not really that nice. And all I can say is it's all worth it guys. Sobrang ganda, sobrang saya, and I'm connecting with nature. Sa totoo lang guys, if you want to connect with God, connect with nature, diba? Sometimes, like, you know, I even talk to the trees, like the trees, because I know, diba, those are God's creations. So guys, tingnan nyo lang kung gaano tayo kaswerte dito sa mundo. Ini-enjoy natin yung creation ng God, creation ni Lord. How beautiful the nature is. See guys, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to see how beautiful this place is. Diba? Para ma-witness ko rin Lord kung gaano kaganda yung nature na ginawa mo para sa atin. For me, this is paradise. You know what guys, going here, it's really so beautiful. It's really breathtaking. So guys, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to see how beautiful this place is. Diba? Para ma-witness ko rin Lord kung gaano kaganda yung nature na ginawa mo para sa atin. For me, this is paradise. You know what guys, going here, it's really so beautiful. It's really breathtaking. Sobrang ganda talaga ng paligid. Like, I just can't make reels kasi reels is only for a minute sa akin. So, hindi ko pa na-program yung phone ko or yung laptop ko how to make it an hour at a minute and 30 seconds or 30 seconds all in all. Pero at least kahit paano, dito may share ko sa inyo guys. Sobrang ganda talaga. It's really worth it. Ang hirap pumunta dito. Hindi nyo lang alam guys kung yung pinagdaanan namin just to reach this place. But it's really worth it guys. Sobrang ganda talaga ng paligid. Sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar. Guys, sa totoo lang, it's really so beautiful. Diba? Sobrang ganda. See that guys? So parang hindi kayo manawa. I'll end it. Maybe we're going home now. Kasi nakakuha na ako ng video. Imagine guys, pumunta kami dito. It took us 7 hours to drive. Walang traffic. Walang traffic. And we just stayed here for only like 15 to 20 seconds. So 15 to 20 minutes siguro. Para lang makakuha ako ng video guys. Guys, para talaga sa inyo ito. I spent time, I spent money para lang makapunta dito just to take this video. Not even a 10-minute video guys. So, I love you all simply because I want to deliver it with you. I love you all guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Okay? I love you all.